old boys of Victoria School. I was here in P3 in 1993. As your old boy, I'll work hand in hand with you, who fight teenage pregnancies, early marriages, and also launch schools as the master cards. Omusadha Shakoba. My boys, you are the pillars at home. Nimwe.
Hello, Basogas. The English say, behind every successful man, there is always a woman. So, I am going to work with my husband, to see that girls complete their education before getting married. Abala, you are the roof. Omusadha Shakoba. My fellow women, I am an example. I first completed my studies at the university, then I gave birth. Here I am happily with my twins.
To our parents, guardians, teachers, and the entire community of Busoga, in our cherished culture, men and boys are the protectors, providers, and defenders of families. They should therefore not be perpetrators of bad habits. Joshua, tell us more.
They must therefore reclaim their pride and respectable role of being the pillars of everything. As our Kyabazinga says, Omusadha Inhebantu.
Nichibumba waife tumusaba abatukumire mubemirala ngamulwanyisa amabunda mu baana abato ni early marriages n'okufuusa amasomero empiki omuzungu Kyakoba amasaka ife ababusoga basitugire bye.
Head teacher Victoria Nile School. Tuli basanufu ino olwaleero ndi tufunye delegation babaka kuva ewa Kyabazinga baida bakyalira ku isomero lyaife era twenda kwebaza ino Kyabazinga okutulondamu nabo nanga tutekwa okuba erimu ku masomero agateekwa kukulembera omuligwe ogw'okuboneka nti abaana basoma bulungi basigala mu masomero era basoma bamalaku okusinga abaana bwe bayida mu masomero ate nibavaamu nibatamala kusoma. Kale ogwono omumuli gwe tuli kukulembera okuboneka nti gutwala mu maiso era yakuba nti twetaaga okukumaakuma abavubuka abaana abalenzi okumanya nti ni empango kubanga abasaada n'empango, they are the pillars mu nsi muno. So ogwono omumuli gwe tuli kukulembeza era nga tulikola ebintu bingi tutayire kuno okulima okuboneka nti tulima eiva abaana baife basobola okulya eiva nga tulirimye wano libateemu okuboneka nti bafuna obugumu bw'emibiri emibiri gibe nga tigirwala. Kale n'ebimu ku bintu bye tulikola era tuli basanufu ino tubaire n'abagenyi bangi wano tubeebaza ino olw'okwida era twakoba nti Mukama abaleesa abayizeyo bulungi. Okugeresa abaana okulima eiva kiyambye nti kituwaire eiva abaana lye balya lyabaleetera okuba nga tibalwala. Kyakubiri n'abaana bali kwegama okulima tutwenda bino bikome wano aye neekewaibwe bajje bakole n'ekirala. Omwana ajja okufuluma mu Victoria Nile ng'alina ebintu byayeze bingi nkani okubona nti tufulumye omwana owa buli nsamba asobola okuba mu mbeera yona n'asobola okumalako n'ensi eno.
My name is Mwesigwa Jethro. I am in P6K. Great salutations to you all in your various capacities. I am the chief steward of the Mpango Club of His Majesty's cause. My duty is to represent His Majesty's vision in schools like stopping early marriages and teenage pregnancies, making boys the pillars or girls the roofs and launching the schools as a MasterCard. Omusadha Shakoba. At this moment, I request the royal ambassadors of my Busoga community to introduce themselves.
My name is Namatabu Bamale, a pupil of Primary 6 at the Mother Victorian School. I am the Assistant Chief Steward, keeper of the Royal Flame. My role is to assist the envoys and ensure that activities are in line with Kyabazinga's vision.
My name is Birungi Florence. I am the Royal Scribe Stroke Secretary of the Empango Club. My work is to record minutes, communications, and reports as if keeping royal chronicles. Omusadha omuwandiisi.
My name is Damnonde Sophia. I am the Royal Herald of the Pango Club. My work is simply to announce activities, mobilize the peers, and spread the Kyabazinga's message.
My name is Kisashe Mebonavie and I'm a pupil of Primary 6K. I am the Royal Marshal. My work is to coordinate events, school functions, and royal theme programs like I informed my fellow Empangos that today we are having visitors from Kyabazinga's Kingdom. Thank you.
A lovely day to you, our beloved visitors. My name is Yokoya Sakim. I am in Primary 6K. I am the keeper of the Royal Treasury. I manage the funds and resources entrusted to the committee.
My name is Magala Alia. I am the Royal Councillor stroke the Elder of Wisdom. My work is to guide the committee with wisdom and to ensure values which are to be held.
My name is Bate Wahayan. I am in Primary 6K and I am the gender representative of this Empango Club. My role is to represent all boys and girls of the Empango Club. Thank you.
My name is Zufa Faketra. I am in Primary 6K and my role is to deal with religious and moral issues. Thank you.
My name is Ogwang Junroy. I am the representative of education in the Pango Club. Thank you.
Hello, Basogas. The English say, behind every successful man, there is always a woman. So, I am going to work with my husband, Owech Tibwa, Gabla Nadia Pookuna, to see that girls complete their education before getting married. Abala, you are the roof, Omsoga Chakoba.
Akasoria.
My fellow women, I am an example. I first completed my studies at the university, then I gave birth. Here I am happily with my twins.
Have you mopped the house? Today you're not going to school until you're finished all the work.
Why do I have to suffer like this? Is it because I don't have a mother? Mother, where are you? Why did you leave me this way to suffer like this? Who are me? I have nothing to do. Let me just get on with the work.
Deep in my heart, I feel perplexed. Deep in my thoughts, I remain confused. I remain confused because of the amazing causes of early marriages and teenage pregnancy. Teenage pregnancies cause early marriages and early marriages cause teenage pregnancies. But the solution to this, other than education, what do you have?